How's it going, guys? Welcome to another video. You're here because you want to know how to be an affiliate marketer and you just want to get to it. You want to do something different. You want to make money from home. So I'm not going to waste any time. I'm going to get right into it. But before we get into it, make sure you hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, and comment below. It really helps the channel. It really helps more people see this information. So this affiliate marketing game is hot. Everyone wants to know how to get into the affiliate marketing world, what business to start, what to do, how much does it cost, etc. I want you to know right now, the affiliate marketing world, let's say, is really pay to play. A lot of guys are saying, they can help you get money for free. They can help you get money with, such a low investment, but a lot of the guys are doing ads. They're doing a lot of pay to play things. They're not really doing the organic thing, or they're not showing you how to get to the money. They're just giving you the runaround. And I'm going to show you, one of the biggest ways to get money with the affiliate marketing business with no, huge advertising is really videos. It's videos and pretty much grabbing people's attention with videos. Specifically, how are you finding me right now? Most likely you are seeing this video on YouTube, one of my best platforms, one of my greatest platforms for years and years, because this is the way you can truly get in the affiliate marketing world with a low cost and get your business to people. Once you learn how to get, how to do YouTube, it will change your life. And one of the biggest ways you're going to get your YouTube video in front of thousands is keyword research. What is keyword research? It's exactly what a keyword is exactly how you found me. What did you type in to find this video? How to start an affiliate marketing business, or how to become an affiliate marketer. These are all keywords, and we have a way to show you that's going to help you know exactly what are people searching. What are they looking for? And most importantly, how many searches per keyword are happening. So you're going to know exactly, is this keyword, is this topic highly looked for? How to rank your video is important. What is ranking your affiliate marketing video mean? Getting your video to number 1, 2, 3, either way, it's on that first page of YouTube or Google. Why do we want to be, first? Because most people looking for affiliate marketing videos right now are not going to the 18th page or 20th page unless they're doing what is the newest, what is the newest affiliate marketing video. Unless they're doing that, they're going to that first page and they're looking at those guys, because what happens? To most, more views mean what? It means these people must know what they're talking about. For their videos to get this many views, they must know what they're talking about. That's just our psychology. That's just how we do. So you want to work on getting your YouTube videos to the first page. You want to make sure you're doing good topics, which is good keywords. You want to make sure you're grabbing attention. You want to make sure you're giving value, like I'm doing right now. And most importantly, you want to be confident, which is the biggest thing. It's the biggest thing. Many people are scared to even show their face. But guess what? We're making a video right now, no face. So if you're also someone looking how to make money online, with no face, you're seeing it in real time. If you want to know how am I going to get people, you're seeing how I'm doing it real time. So I'm hoping you're enjoying this value I'm giving you. We're going to transition into, what else you're here. What program or what affiliate marketing business am I going to be able to find, or what should I find? It all depends on your income, but most of you, you want to earn money now, and you don't want to pay monthly, which I will throw in. Monthly equals residuals, meaning you can do work one time and get paid over and over. But today we're going to specifically focus on you who don't really want to do monthly. You just want to do, you just want to get commissions. So it's going to be, what we call one-time programs. Meaning you pay one time. I know some of you may be looking for free, but just know there are some free things. Well, with free equals what? Slow money. I say this because guess what? What does a business need to make money? It needs sales. So if there's no sales involved, how are people making money? How are people making money if there's no money being transferred? There's no products. Yes, you can do little affiliate marketing programs where you get 10%, 8%, 12%. But I thought you were here for big money. Or are you here for peanuts? Because we can just work a job if we're going to be here for peanuts. You see what I'm saying? So this affiliate marketing program I'm going to show you specifically is going to be the more bigger deals. I will have below the first link, which is this program, I will have a list of programs, of all ranges, different prices, different types of products, all that below this link. So you can feel free to click that as well. But you want to keep it simple because most likely you know nothing about marketing and you're hearing things like post ads and get money. But we're going to break it down even more than that. We're going to show you exactly what's going on. We're going to show you marketing in a whole, because until you know these concepts, you're just going to be spinning the loop. Once you get these basic, and these are basic concepts. These concepts to me, I've been doing these for years, but for you, it's probably a lot. When you're looking at everything on the screen, it's probably a lot, but it's really not a lot. It's just the basics of marketing, having the mindset, how to talk to people, having a plan, how to close, different social medias, different groups, different ways of marketing. And as we go over, it gets more deep, different platforms, scripts, different accesses to different, scenarios. We have YouTube mastery. And I'm going to add to this as well. I already showed, I'm going to show you a lot about YouTube. YouTube is really my thing. Instagram, how to make funnels. This is when you're getting really on that affiliate. You're really becoming an affiliate marketer. This is where the funnels is going to come. And all these memberships include a website, TikTok. It's just a lot of stuff. Access to the group. This is just some bonus stuff you don't really have to worry about, but it's just bonuses. Live trainings, just a support system, not being on your own, because a lot of things you get started with, you're pretty much on your own, and you see the prices. Everything's one time. So once you pay this, it's done. So for example, if you come in at $100 or $300, you make a $300 sale, you're even. Everything after that from here, weeks and on, is all profit. The only other fee seen is a $25 admin fee. Website. For your website, you get a website included. The only other fees after this is if you want to upgrade your marketing. You want to get a website name, a www dot. You want to get an email. You want to do email marketing, so you want to get an Aweber, or you want to get a better website, a funnel. Extra stuff. Becoming a marketing, there's levels to it. But as far as just getting a website, getting going, and learning some marketing, it's already here. It's all included. So we get paid through different platforms. As you see, I have credit cards, Cash App, Zelle. I have everything. So whatever's convenient for you, depending on where you're at, around the world. This is a global business, so depending where you're at, you can use those, you know, PayPal, etc. So to show you some income proof, let's just start with the lowest thing. Say you don't have a lot of money. It's going to take you a little bit more time, you know, 3 sales a week, 3 sales a day. You see the income, it's pretty decent, but to get that real life-changing income, it's going to take you 5 sales a day. But if we come down here, you can see why it's good to go big. 3 sales a day here, 25,000 a month. 5 sales here a day. You know, really putting that work in. You're really putting that work in, but look at the money. It's 42,000 a month. Could that change your life? And this is not a get rich type of thing. It could happen if you're really a good marketer, but this is just to get cash flow. Cash flow to do other things, to invest in other businesses, you know, buy a home, get land, investments, whatever it is you want to do. Maybe marketing isn't your number one. This is just to get cash flow. This is not necessarily to become rich. No income is guaranteed. We don't know what's going to happen. We don't know if you're going to make money or not. These are just numbers. You know, you go by the numbers. The numbers are what they are. If you make a certain amount of sales, you get a certain amount of money. This is going to show you how to get into marketing, because it doesn't matter what you join, what program it is. It's all about marketing. I don't care if you're selling hair. I don't care if you're selling candles. I don't care if you're selling weave, you know, lace fronts, all that. It's all going to come down to these strategies in marketing. So this is really, as you see, influencer brand marketing. This is going to be how you promote your brand. So yes, it's an affiliate offer. With it, you can offer this information to others and resell this information to others, which is cool. So it's not like you just come, because, you know, some people just sell courses where you come in and buy the course. That's it. You actually get to buy the course and resell the course. So you actually get to make your money back and use what they're showing you and see money. So that's how you become an affiliate marketer. This specific program I put because this is for a lot of people who know nothing about marketing, affiliate marketing, and they just want to understand how to make money online and not just, you know, get thrown a product and say, here. You actually get to see how to do it. So I'm going to cut this video now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, and comment below. It really helps the channel. And stay tuned for the next video. I will leave this program in the first link. You're most likely going to have to fill out your name or email just so I can put you on my email list, so I can update you. I update everybody with my opportunities. You can unsubscribe from it at any time, but this is how you get my opportunities first. It might not be on YouTube, but I email my list. So make sure you subscribe to that, and you're going to get the information after you put in your name and email. And I hope you are ready to take control and really change your lifestyle. Have a great day.